Hi all, welcome to my channel. I'm glad that finally you decided to go ahead with ESP32 device. So today let us see how we can interface an ESP32 board using Arduino IDE and do your first coding using AI. For that, first open up the Arduino IDE, then go to File Preferences and enter these board package details as given in the description. Then press OK. Now we need to install the board. So for that, click on Board Manager and search for ESP32. Select the ESP32 by Expressive Systems and click Install. It may take a few minutes to install it. So once ESP32 is installed, we need to select the board. So now we need to select the board that we are going to interface. For that, go to Tools, Board, Board Manager ESP32, and for time being I'm selecting ESP32 dev module. Now we need to select the COM port where which we are actually interfacing the board. So for this board it is COM6. So how I am understanding that, go to Device Manager and under the ports and COM, see which one is actually connected to the board. It is CP210X ESP32 UART bridge. So if you don't have this driver, you can always download it from their Silicon Labs website. So now that we interfaced our board to Arduino IDE, now let us code the board using AI, which is ChatGPT. Open ChatGPT and select New Chat. Enter this prompt. Write the ESP32 Arduino code to blink an LED on GPIO2. GPIO2, there is an onboard LED connected on the ESP32 dev kit. Then press enter. So now you got the code. Copy the code. Go back to your IDE and replace the existing sketch. So now let us verify the code. Click on the verify button. The code is being compiled now. So now compilation is completed. Let us upload the code to the board. Click on upload button. Now once the upload is completed, just check on your board. You can see the blue LED is now blinking. Congratulations. Now that you completed your first coding of ESP32 using Arduino IDE and ChatGPT. Thanks for watching the video. Subscribe for more such videos.